For purchase order receiving, we can simply go to buying. We can open the purchase order list and pick the purchase order that we want to receive and click make receipt, and system will bring all the data for me. I can just enter the quantity as whatever I have received. I can enter everything according to what I have received. Or if I am a warehouse keeper and I don't have right to go to buying and see the purchases, I can click on stock. I can click on purchase receipt and then new purchase receipt, and I can get the items from here, get items from. I can pick the purchase order. I can filter by any of these, or I can directly say I want to get this purchase order. So I will get the items and information from that purchase order, which is we have picked. Okay, and for here it says that we have ordered 100. I'm receiving 50 only. Okay, so this is what I have received. Everything is okay. I can check everything. I can enter the supplier delivery note number for my reference, for my accounting reference. That's it. It's almost everything. Then I can save. So the document is draft. I can submit it directly. Okay, submitting the document. And now the document is submitted. I can check that the items now is already in the warehouse, just to verify that we have received the items, that have entered the right warehouse with the right quantity and everything. So this is how much is it. We have received incoming 100 and incoming is 50. This is the pricing, how much is the evaluation, and this is all nonsense information for us. This is only related to accounts receivable, accounts payable employee, which he will handle this part. Like this, we have received the goods. Now it's in our warehouse. We can start working on it and use it.